Computex 2015, which is really exciting. I'm at Corsair's awesome party, and I'm going to be going over this Corsair Strafe keyboard. It's fully mechanical, featuring the MX Reds and MX Browns, and also it's fully programmable. There's a bunch of lighting effects, such as ripple and wave, and my personal favorite is rain, so I'm really excited about that. And it also comes in red backlighting, and I would say this is definitely an affordable version of the K70 RGB mechanical keyboard. This product will be available in early July, so be sure to check out Newegg.com for more info. And also please leave a comment below this video to tell us what you think about this product. And also hit the like and subscribe buttons, and check out our other Computex 2015 coverage as I go along. So I'll see you next time.